Delikado na to po, sanggala. Oh. Delikado to, oh. Malalaglag to. Oh. This is not good. Alright guys, babalikan lang kay Tracker. Andito tayo sa Calgary na. Night Star Truck Wash. Paugasan muna natin yung ating trailer as per ng ating dispatch na mabait at magaling at mahusay. Yes! Yan ang instruction nila eh. O di sige, sundin natin para wala silang masabi. Maghugas muna tayo ng trailer na to. Trailer na to drop natin, tapos kunin natin yung preloaded trailer. Yun ang sabi. Yabante na natin dito. Alright guys, baba tayo, kunin ko yung pupunta ako doon sa loob. Check in ka ako sa kanila. Off duty. Let's go. Was 2, was 1. Hi. Truck wash, trailer wash only.
Truck wash or trailer wash?
Trailer wash only. Wash
What
out.
company?
Turk.
Turk. Okay.
Yeah.
Truck number?
2098
Okay. Trailer number?
1454.
$42.
Paying it now?
It's right away. You can go. It's either way.
Which door?
Door 2.
Okay, waiting in there.
Nope.
It's open.
It's open. Yeah, truck
Okay.
is there. He's leaving in 1 minute. So.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
The Turk.
So
Okay.
truck, he's
I will
leaving.
wait and then I'll come back here.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
Once we go.
Okay. Alright guys. Woohoo! Gandang climate. Wash out lang, wash out. Paparinse natin. Mirror! Just the mirror! Yung mirror din natin. Yan. Sa kabila rin. Di pa dumarating yung aking mahaba umorder na ako. Okay, thank you. Yan. Mabait ang mga truck wash boy nila rito. Okay, yan. Tara guys. Punta natin, bayaran muna natin yan. At buha ko ng kape ko doon. Kasi may free coffee, which is favorite. Black coffee lang tayo. Huwag tayo masyado sa mga matatamis. Busy oh. Sana oil. All right. So where's the ladies?
She just left.
What do you, oh. Oh, you got it? They left for today?
Yeah, they left
Okay.
today, yeah.
Okay, I like the get on the other one. Okay, the trees. Yeah. Thank you. Put in here. Just gonna grab coffee. Tim Horton coffee to guys. There. Have a good day. Okay. Alright, this. Magkano? $42. Binayaran ko muna sa sarili ko to. I-reimburse na lang nila. Ayan, tinitira niya. Bahala na siya dyan. Have a good day. Nakangiti siya eh. Okay guys, tara kunin natin yung medyas ko. Luma kong medyas. Kunin natin yung trailer. I-drop natin to. Tapos kunin natin yung trailer. Painit ko muna itong kape ko na ito kasi ihahalo natin dito. $42. Okay. Diyan ka lang muna. Ito, libre ito guys eh. Pabango. Tara. Thank you. Tara. Oops. Kumulo na. maaga nagsipagtulugan to mga tropang truck driver, oh. O nag-aantay ng reload. O schedule of appointment.
Turn left.
Anyway, let's go. Ito tayo sa Ocean Trailer. Drop natin to. Pick upin natin preload and trailer. At diretso tayo Vancouver.
At the end of the street, turn left.
Alright guys, ayun yung ating trailer na pipick upin. Loaded trailer na yan. Bukas na yung Reaper. 1433. Ayan. Yan ang kukunin natin. Drop ko muna itong dala-dala natin trailer. Babae yung umaatras, oh. Babae yung driver. Ano mga ano? Driver. Babae. Oh, titira niya, oh. Babae. Huh? Tandaan lang. Hindi kayang madali, hindi pwedeng madali ng ano, pag-atras. Atras din ako din sa tabi niya. Babayang driver, Indiana. Dito, i-drop ko dito. Maluwag dito eh. Yan. sagad natin dito sa gilid. Yun, tara. I-tap down natin guys. Tapos kunin natin yung isa. Malinis naman na to eh. Baba natin to. Hangin. Tapos tara, kunin natin yung isa, pre-trip natin, tapos lumarga na tayo. Ito, loaded trailer. Yun, tag test. Yung umagat na. Okay. Yun. Pre-trip is the key. Supplyan natin ng hangin yung ating trailer. Yun. Kunin ko muna yung papel. Dito tinatago yung papel eh. Yun. Ah. 34 continuous, tama lang. Kabanti-konti guys. Doon itinatago yung papel guys eh. Ito yung bill of lading. Nyo lang muna. Okay. Tara. Okay. Contact tayo ng proper pre-trip guys. Make sure natin walang problema rito sa unit na to. Kasi dadalhin natin. Pagandahan lang talaga dahil after natin mag-delivery doon sa Edmonton, meron na ulit tayong load papuntang Vancouver, British Columbia. Course, para iwas sa berya, gulong. Tignan natin at baka mamaya may pick up na eh. Okay naman, sawa ni Lord wala pa naman. May problema na to. Picturean ko ito. Delikado na to, sanggala. Picturean ko yan. Delikado, picturean ko na to. I have to report this into my company. Guys, hindi pwede yung ganito. Kailangan tinitignan natin. We always conduct our pre-trip. And now I see this. Oh, delikado to, oh. Malalaglag to. Oh, this is not good. Ang nangyari dito, kailangan kong picturean ito. Ano ba yan? Yari. Pili pa rin ito. Tanggalin ito, tatanggalin. Kasi kung hindi matanggal ito, bakal pa rin. Makakakos pa ng aksidente ito eh, oh. Oh. Ewan ko pa paano. May nasagasaan niya ito, sinuhuling gumamit. Oh my, inano lang oh, linagyan lang ng ganito oh. Na-report kaya ito? Did they report this into the shop kaya? Kunin ko yung ano ko guys, picturean ko, isend ko sa shop manager namin. Delikado yan, baka mamaya ako pa ang pagbintangan eh, pagbayarin pa ako dyan. I don't know what happened, pero I have to report this into my shop manager. Hopefully, nireport na nila. Delikado tayo dyan. Babayad tayo dyan eh. Okay, so picturean natin kasi dito pa tayo na pre-trip. Okay, sabihin natin kay Rene. Trailer 1433 1433. Ayan. King up doing pre-trip and I see this, it has to remove. Ayan, oh. This is not good. Yung this is not good, guys, oh. Ay, pumapayapay, agpaypayapay. Nice. Oh, this is not good. Yan, delikado to. Delikado, delikado. Patala ko sa dispatch. Delikado. I don't know what happened. I'm just doing my pre-trip and this is what I saw. Naliyan lang nila ng bandigo. Dealer, I have to report this to my dispatch. Dealer 143. We are in Ocean Trailer right now. This. Tayo ko yung sasabihin ng shop manager namin, guys. Ilalim. Ay, pusang gala, kailangan maitaas ito. Oh, yan. Ganyan. Okay. Nakataas, nakahang. So pero wala akong nakikita problema rito sa trailer natin. Oh, selyado. Picturean ko yung sealed para ipadala ko sa dispatch ko. We would have removed it in the yard. Have we known about it, heard about it yesterday afternoon? Okay. Pero siyempre pupunta ako ng British Columbia eh. Tawagan ko sila mamaya. Kapag ka nag-conflict yan, tatanggalin ko. Nag-message siya sa akin, guys, ilaw lahat, okay. Mag-message sa akin yung aking shop manager i-remove daw nila sa yard. Pag uwi pupunta ako British Columbia. Up natin. Full pa, ayos. Okay. So far, guys, wala akong problema nakita. Yun lang talaga. At antayin ko na lang kung anong sasabihin ng shop manager ko kapag tumakbo ko. Baka mamaya lipa rin yun. Delikado rin yun eh. Wala tayong ibang nakikita. Yan lang. Okay. Guys, pasok tayo sa loob. Tawagan ko yung shop manager ko. Hi sir, yes, yeah. So you going to remove it in the yard when the trailer is going to the yard?
Yeah, if it like it looks like it's exactly the same way as we got pictures of it yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, because I just pick up this trailer here. I am here in Ocean Trailer Calgary now because my dispatch told me to to pick up this trailer, and I'm doing my pre-trip and I saw it. I'm going, this is loaded trailer. This trailer actually going to Vancouver. So if something, if it's fallen because it's only tied up by the bungee cord, I have to take a picture and I send it to you.
Yeah, if it starts coming off, then we'll have to change how we're addressing it. But
Yeah.
like I said, when we got the pictures of it yesterday, it wasn't in Calgary yet, and it seems to be exactly the same way as it was.
Okay, at least I told you now, at least you already know. And now I'm going to Vancouver, and if it's start failing out, I have to let you know. And if we need to remove, I have to remove it somewhere down the road, ensuring we cannot get an accident for the people. Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
All right, sir. At least I tell you, I don't wanna to just to cover my ass, you know.
Yeah, I know 100%.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Alright, bye. Alright guys, ayun lang, just to cover your ass, kasi alam nyo, owner operator tayo eh. Kapag kaganyan at hindi mo i-report yan, maaring bumalik sa yan pagbabayarin ka. Kaya kailangan, advice ko sa mga kapwa nating mga owner operator sa company, dahil may kontrata tayo, pag may problema, sabihin nyo na agad, lalo pag trailer nila, para sa ganun, sila mismo ang magpagawa. Ngayon, nakita nyo naman, talagang malinis ang trabaho ko. Pre-trip ko, may problema, nakita ko na. Ngayon, alam naman nila na ang trailer na yan is na-report na rin. Ngayon, i-drive ko, habang nagdadrive ako at naglalaglagan na, ay talagang sasabihin ko ulit sa kanila at tatanggalin ko somewhere down the road. Alam nyo, ako, iniiwasan ko yung, magbayad ng mga ganyang bagay kung may pagkakataon eh. Kaya may pre-trip tayo eh. Hindi lang yung ang tinitignan natin yung mga ibang malfunction, pero yung mga ganyan pwede mong bayaran yan eh. Kung hindi mo ginagawa yung ano mo, pwedeng i-charge nila sa yun. Just to cover your butt. Kasi syempre, diskarte ng lakay tracker, gawin natin. Kasi guys, hindi lang isang taon na akong owner operator. Maglilimang taon na akong owner operator at marami na rin akong experience sa pagiging owner operator. Yung mga equipment na yan, kapag hindi mo yan tinitignan at hindi mo rin report, lalo pag equipment ng company yan at inabutan ka at i-drain up mong yan, tapos may sumunod at in-report, hindi mo in-report, ang mangyayari, ikaw mapuputukan na owner operator. Yan ang naka-state sa kontrata, kaya hindi ka dapat magpapabaya. Guys, diretso na ako sa Vancouver. Kaya naman ratrating ko na to, mayroon pa akong 3 oras at kalahati. Kaya naman susunod na video vlog natin, baka sa Vancouver na tayo or somewhere in Vancouver, nagkakandak ng road inspection all the way to British Columbia. Until next time guys, thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. I love you all. Peace out. Bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.